Paralleling neutral and ground conductors creates several safety concerns. Firstly, electrical shock hazards arise because this parallel connection creates a path for current to flow from the energized phase conductors to the ground. Consequently, anyone touching the ground, building, steel, or any object connected to these parallel conductors could experience an electrical shock. Secondly, overheating and fire risks emerge because neutral and ground conductors are designed to carry different types of electrical currents. The neutral conductor handles unbalanced phase currents from the loads, while the ground conductor carries fault currents and lightning surges. Paralleling these conductors increases the total current flow, potentially leading to overheating of the conductors and the transformer exterior terminals, which can cause a fire. Equipment damage is a further risk. Overheating and increased current flow can damage electrical equipment, including the transformer, feeder cables, and load devices. This practice also leads to code violations. NEC 250.32F addresses grounding of separately derived systems, stating that the neutral conductor of a separately derived system must not be connected to the grounding electrode or to the equipment grounding conductor of the primary system. NEC 250.24F covers conductor size for the grounding electrode conductor, specifying that the conductor size for the grounding electrode conductor must not be less than the largest grounding electrode conductor or equipment grounding conductor terminated in the grounding electrode. NEC 300.3 bone concerns the neutral conductor, clarifying that the neutral conductor must not be used as an equipment grounding conductor or to terminate the equipment grounding conductor at the service equipment or any other location. For proper electrical design, the neutral conductor should be exclusively for carrying unbalanced phase currents. The ground conductor should be exclusively for carrying ground fault currents and lightning surges. The neutral and ground conductors should be kept separate throughout the electrical system. The neutral and ground conductors should be bonded together only at the service equipment, as required by NEC 250.24A on. By adhering to these principles, you ensure a safe and code-compliant electrical installation that minimizes the risk of electrical shock, overheating, and equipment damage.